Hello guys, this is Poppy from techTongBo. Today I'm excited to introduce our new K15 portable sport carpet cleaner. Many families love fabric furniture, like sofas and carpets, as they are not only comfortable and beautiful, but also add a cozy feel to the home. Don't worry, our K15 carpet cleaner is specially designed to tackle these cleaning challenges. Of course, if you need to replace filter, feel free to contact us. techTongBo is a supplier specializing in accessories for vacuum cleaners and other machines. Okay, now let's take a look at how the K15 can easily solve your daily cleaning problems. Upon unboxing, we can see that it's thoughtfully designed and comes with multiple brush heads to meet various cleaning needs. In addition to the standard cleaning brush, it includes a pet brush, crevice tool, deep stain brush, and a glass brush. Whether you are dealing with stubborn pet hair or cleaning those hard-to-reach spots, this machine can handle it all. Truly make it a versatile tool that adapts to your needs and saves your time and effort. It also features a self-cleaning brush head that can clean the residual inside the hose, something very few cleaners on the market offer. Not only that, but the K15 is lightweight at only 3.6 kilograms, making it very portable. It also has quick-release cord wrap and hose clip to secure the cleaning hose and charging cable. Moreover, with a power cord length of 5 meters, it has a wide coverage area, allowing you to easily clean your entire home without the hassle of frequently switching outlets. Furthermore, it's not just versatile, it has powerful suction that effectively tackles stubborn stains on carpets and sofas. Additionally, the K15 features an electrolyzed water function, so you don't have to worry about chemical residuals. It's safe and harmless while effectively disinfecting, making it especially suitable for pet owners and ensuring a worry-free cleaning experience. Alright, today we have given you a brief introduction to the powerful and practical K15 portable sport carpet cleaner. If you are struggling with cleaning your fabric furniture at home, or if you are a proud pet owner, this cleaning machine is definitely your best choice. Thank you for watching and we'll see you next time.